Hello there, friends. Hello, hello. Good day, good day. Good day is somewhere, wherever you are. Or guten Nacht. Guten Abend. Guten Tag. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, my friends, another night out. Even though I greet you as day. Tonight we're hanging out at the Lakeside at the Whynn. And Lakeside, as I told you before, as much as I can, I will always try to find myself on the outside, especially during this time. I need not repeat the importance of staying safe until we all get that jab in the arm, as the British would say. And I'm going to say until I get my needle in the arm. That's vaccine, that is. That's being vaccinated. So until then, yes, outside rule the day. My friends, I am so glad you could come along with me. Before I dig into dinner or indulge you in what I'm having, I will say cheers to a very nice glass / bottle of Pinot Noir. Tonight on the menu, oyster and a half shell, and the scallops. So that's my entree. I forgot to indulge you with the menu, but that's my entree tonight. Why am I celebrating? If I didn't say cheers, I must have forgotten my manners. I'm so excited that I may have forgotten from one second to another. Cheers, my friend. Cheers to life. Cheers to your health. Let's get through this. 2021 is just around the corner. Prost. A Boca Asante. L'chaim. Cheers to your health. So back to celebrating. In a day or so, in a couple of days, actually tomorrow, I'll be on the way to Orlando, Florida. There for a day in and a day out. It is to preview my new home. Getting out of Las Vegas into the Sunshine States. The previews start tomorrow, then I'll be back after returning to Las Vegas then Saturday. My mover should be hopefully here between the 13 and the 16, and then depending on how fast they load, I probably should be on the road by the 17. So that is the plan for now, and I can't wait to indulge you with my new chapter starting in Florida. Now, I'm not exactly in Orlando. I'm outside of Orlando, 29 minutes away from Disney, which is perfect for me. Very quiet location, good enough for a semi-retiree or retiree to come. I will start working in January. Can't say I'm looking forward, but I have to. A few more years to go. So I am so glad to take you along with me to actually see what is behind door number 2. So my friends, first course is here. I'm indulging in a little bit of oyster tonight. I feel shellish. So that is my first course. Delicious, delicious looking oyster. Awesome. And what impressed me also is the bird presentation. All right, let's dig in. Yummy, yummy. Let's bring that down a little bit. Delicious. Oh my. Do you know anyone that does not like food or love food? I don't know. I have not met anyone. Still yet to meet anyone that doesn't love food. Now, I picked food as my career because I love food. I love the indulgence. And most importantly, I love to see people have fun enjoying food. So my friends, my oyster was not enough. So I went for the grilled tiger shrimp. And so That looks absolutely delicious. Yum, yum. So my friends, the entrees are here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. The delicious scallops with the butternut squash puree and an apple salad. It looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to get in, to dig in. And just one more. It is cut in two to give you a what I call a cross section. So look at that. So my friends, dinner was truly delicious. And I think that's the only one thing I'll miss about Vegas. Well, one of the few things I miss about Vegas. Some other things more than others. But having to find really good fine place to eat between fine dining and the middle of the road. I think there's no other place like Las Vegas. Perhaps, of course, New York. And I've been to Washington, D.C. There's some great place also in Washington, D.C. And I cannot discount Philadelphia. But if you were to put all of them together, side by side, Las Vegas has become the king of culinary. And so, of course, food is my passion. I will miss that. But I tell you, you sprinkle a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of rain, a little bit of fresh dew, some humidity, I am still home. It'll be like Jamaica. So, in life, some things are ideal, others you just have to accept. So, although I must say, Orlando had some very good spots. International Boulevard came to mind, where you can find a lot of very good eatery. Like I said, nothing top Las Vegas, but that would suffice. When you combine the sunshine, a little bit of rain, maybe sometimes hurricane, who knows? I may be in for a surprise, but nonetheless, it's life adventure. So I look forward to make it my new home, and I'm sure I'll find some good substitute. So my friends, so dinner was great, but I gotta have a little bit of a happy ending. Oh, not the one you know, by the way. I'm talking about dessert. Clean up your mind. A nice moistened chocolate cake with creme fraiche I will skip the crème fraîche and a little bit of petit four, chocolate and the coconut pineapple. And that's it, my friend. That is my lucky happy ending for the night. My dessert.
So hello there friends, this is the wrap it up for tonight here from the lovely Whynn, Las Vegas, my night before Orlando, Florida. A few more days after returning this weekend before I head out for good. Visited the Lakeside for dinner tonight, quite a bit of activity there. Thanks for coming along with me. As usual, it's always a pleasure taking along with me. Just one more thing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Until then, this is your Jamaican in the Move, saying one love. By the way, I do have my mask. Stay safe, my friend. Let's get through this. Love it, my friends.